The landmark case challenging fracking in the Beetaloo Basin began in Darwin today. Environmental activists staged a protest outside the Territory Supreme Court, one of several demonstrations around the country.
A tug of war on the steps of the Supreme Court ahead of the latest battle over the Beetaloo Basin. No fracking! While the protesters won this tussle, their legal challenge against the Territory Environment Minister is only just beginning.
Central Australian Frack Free Alliance is today taking the NT government to court over the minister's decision to allow Tamboran to frack 12 wells.
Their case that the minister failed to adequately consider the environmental impacts of the project, hinging on the argument that she didn't consider the impacts of future gas projects that the exploration would open up. CAFFA's lawyer Emery's Neckvappel today arguing that the environmental impacts that needed to be considered are not conflated with or confined to an activity and may be cumulative impacts. His address watched on by protesters in the courtroom.
If court is a mechanism, if protest is a mechanism, we will continue to use every mechanism available.
The Files government has repeatedly knocked back criticism of gas projects for standing in the way of development in the Territory, while the protesters claim their environmental concerns are falling on deaf ears.
I previously went down to Canberra because, we felt that we weren't being heard from our government.
How else do we talk or engage with the government if they're not listening to us anymore?
Tamboran turned down 9 News' request for comment due to the ongoing court case, while the NT government was also contacted for a response. Hannah Taylor, 9 News.